Imagine emailing your boss and instantly realizing you messed up the message. Yeah, that panic is real. But here's the crazy part. In Gmail, you actually have a few seconds to take it back before anyone sees it. In this video, I'll show you the exact trick to undo a sent email, plus a hidden settings that gives you more time to save yourself. Subscribe to the channel and let's get started. So to undo or to recall a sent email in Gmail, I've already logged into my Gmail account, so I'm going to use that one for demonstration. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to open the browser which I've logged into my Gmail account. Then we are going to compose a new email. Okay, so I'm going to send to the recipient. Okay, and then the subject, I'm going to type test mail, and then test mail, and then I'm going to click on send. So here you can see the undo here. So immediately you can undo the sent email. Okay, but this undo here is for 5 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to extend it to 30 seconds so that I can get some ample time. If you want to undo the mail sent or you want to record the message, you can do that. Okay, so to do that, you are going to click on the settings icon here, and then we'll click on see all settings. So at the see all settings, you see undo send. Okay, and it says send cancellation period. So it's for 5 seconds, as I showed you earlier. So you are going to change it to 30 seconds. So to do that, I'm going to click on the down arrow, then I'll click on the 30 seconds. And then to save the changes, you are going to scroll down, and then we will click on save changes. So if I go to the sent items, you can see this is the message we sent to this recipient. Okay, so you are going to compose a new message, and then we will recall or we will undo it, and then you see the outcome. So I'm going to click on the compose, and then I'm going to type the recipient, and then test mail, and then test mail, and then I will click on send. Now message sent. Okay, but we still have the undo there, that we can undo or to recall the message. So you can see here in my sent item, I have 2. Okay, the recipient, the email I've sent to the recipient. So I can click on the undo, and then you see I've recalled the message I sent to that particular recipient. Okay, so here you can delete, and that is it. Okay, so this is basically how to undo or to recall an email in Gmail. So this brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.